Hi, welcome into my channel. This channel is about astronomy, against the current view of the astronomy. I'm not filming myself straight. I'm not looking always straight in the camera. This is the way I like to. And I'm saying like a tea science, coffee science. I have something here to drink. This is a coffee, so coffee science. So about the last picture made by Webb Space Telescope on 17 April 17. So this picture, they are saying that is 200 billion light years. I read the site, and you can listen what I have read. Okay, read from the official site of website. So the distances and things like this. I film my monitor laptop from official NASA channel. The last picture from 17 April 70. This one, they say that it is at 250 million light years. You cannot see light from that distance. And they are living in their head. They see here that it is colliding, a collision that began 700 million years ago. They are living in their head. And on the official web channel, this Webb Space Telescope, they are saying like this, that the 8 trillion, the distance, or 8 trillion miles, you cannot see from that distance. You cannot see. So they say that this bar I will show to you like has 18,000 light years to travel, light to travel. So let's enter on the picture like here. And so they say that this bar, like that, this one like here has 18 light years span. Like, so they are writing 15 arc minutes. This is around the earth arc minutes. They are not 18,000 light years. So if you do not understand the coastal far I put for you, you cannot see a coastal far. You will wish, but you cannot see. So this is a simple star put in matter. Everything like here are simply stars, and that black stuff is matter, but you cannot see it. But this star is powerful enough to show to you that there is matter around it. And it is a simple star. It is not a galaxy collision that happened 700 light years ago. This is in one day with the speed of light. You cannot see more than this. So I put for you, like with music, a coastal far. You will think. So I filmed the monitor because I wanted to make this faster, but I spoke at my table where I'm making my videos for another minutes. So hope you are not bothered by this, but you can see it very good. Okay, they are seeing like that the distance is 5.88 trillion miles, 9.46 trillion kilometers. You cannot see light from that distance. If you do not understand, if you are a boat captain and you are believing that you are see a coastal far from 9 trillion kilometers, so any captain of the ship on the earth that travels on sea, it will tell you that you are stupid. Okay, I will speak another idea about this picture at my table. But throughout all this video, I put a coastal far. So with my music, I compose music. If you know my channel, I put music. So I put for you throughout all this video coastal far, a navigational seashore coastal far, okay? But why? I want you to understand scientifically that they do not know. So they do not know the process that to maintain the ignition of the star 4 billion years. If you see this rock, the entire solar system is given to having 4.6 billion years. You will believe that you can have this for 4 billion years. Nothing consumes it. No? So if you do not pour acids or something on it, you have it for 4 billion years. You spend it in the space and you believe that you can have it, like Mars planets, Jupiter, all the planets. Nothing is attacked to consume it. So in this manner you are believing that a star, it is similar, like because our sun is given to 4.6 billion years. So I'm telling you, light has energy. You consume energy on the luminosity. So the bigger luminosity that you have at some light bulbs or a monitor or something that you film with that produces light, okay, like the bigger energy, you know this, okay? So voltage and energy. So I'm telling you science, okay? Listen, they do not have any equation that to demonstrate that on a emitting star with some luminous lux, it is the term, okay, you can maintain these 4 billion years. I put for you this coastal far to understand you must plug it to have energy to transmit light. So you imagine only this coastal far how much energy consumes. If you say that the stars are emitting temperature, thermal energy, you have to add this to the equation. And I'm telling you, like, nobody made an equation on paper like this that to prove that if you have a sphere with some constant luminosity, you can calculate how you can maintain this 4 billion years. Nobody made this calculation. But if I will tell you that a star is from 4 billion years, I will ask you and you will say that you are stupid. You are maybe engineers, professors at schools. You are believe that you are stupid. Nobody can make the equation, the mathematical calculation to demonstrate that a sphere emitting light that has energy in it, you can maintain it for 4 billion years to emit light. Hydrogen and the process is crazy. Hydrogen, you cannot pull out only from hydrogen light. So these two things I wanted to tell you in this video. I put for you the coastal far, you cannot see it, you understand, you approach few kilometers on the shore, you hit the banks, the rocks on the shore. Any captain will tell you this. You cannot, it will be to be ideal to see it from coastal far house, lighthouse, putting shores on Europe to see it from America, but you cannot see it. So the stars is identically, the light diminishes with distance like any light signal, radio waves or in space, and scatters. So they are lying, they are living in the crazy. You see this picture, they are seeing that this is a collision. Where they see collision, where they see, they are crazy. They are crazy. And someday, soon, they will laugh at all this pretend science that they are pretending, with this hallucinating science that they pretended that they have. So they are seeing from 700 million light years ago a collision. You cannot prove how a star could emit light 700 million years. And you cannot see an object from 10 trillion kilometers. You cannot see. The light is limited on a sphere. You cannot put much more light than a limited light. And you can calculate the maximum luminosity of a sphere. So you cannot see it. And even this maximum luminosity of the sphere, you cannot see it from distance. So goodbye, God bless. This is what I wanted to tell you. I put for you some music and that lighthouse. This star is close, and it is only a star, and it is put like in clouds, like in fog, in a membrane that surrounds our galaxy. Believe me or not, we live in a sphere, and all the galaxies that are said, their galaxies are simply stars put in clouds like this, and these stars shows to you there's clouds here and I'm putting clouds, and they're interpreting with hallucination, like there's collision. Where's the collision? There's nowhere a collision, and that black stuff is matter, but the light does not have power to illuminate an entire ocean, only a region. So believe me or not, you will be laughed at. I don't have any pretension, I don't want money. I started this channel only to tell you this, because the planet is strict.